Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment method on Roblox. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, on your desktop, on any browser that you are comfortable with, go and type www.roblox.com on URL. After you are loaded to this page, and before that, make sure that you are logged into your registered Roblox account. Now to change your payment method, you will see in settings icon at the top right hand side of your screen. So click on that icon. Once you click that, again go to settings. Here you will be able to see your account information. So just near that you will see some options such as account information, security, privacy. There, go and look for payment methods and just simply click on payment method. Since I don't have any saved payment methods, it says you don't have any saved payment method. So to add your payment method, you can simply click on this add option that you can see on the screen. After that, you have to add your payment method. For that, you have to provide your credit or debit card, your number, your expiration, and your billing email, and then your billing address. Once you are done with all of this, you can simply click on save option, and in this way you can add or change payment method on Roblox. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, to subscribe our channel, like and hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.